The next generation of American supercars is the topic of today's article. Get to know the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora, a model that combines state-of-the-art technology with thrilling performance and innovative design. Just when you thought the Corvette was at its best, it takes a tumble. When it comes to supercars, the Zora is redefining the wheel. The Corvette Zora is more than a vehicle. It's an expressive statement, right from the get-go. In addition to illuminating the road, the geometric laser headlights give off a futuristic vibe. Directing airflow to high-performance cooling systems, the aggressive air intakes occupy the majority of the bumper's lower half. The Zora's aerodynamically optimized front splitter keeps it firmly planted on the asphalt, no matter how fast you go. An unusual feature that enhances the car's futuristic look is the illuminated Corvette logo on the hood, which adds a touch of modern elegance. Viewed from the side, the aerodynamic engineering of the Zora is front and center. The automobile seems poised and ready to attack thanks to its elegant character lines. Its 20-inch carbon fiber wheels look classy and improve handling thanks to the high-performance tires. To maximize performance, the hybrid powertrain is fed air from the gloss black side air intakes. Experience the exhilaration of open-air driving without sacrificing structural rigidity with the lightweight carbon fiber roof that comes with a retractable targa top. A sight to behold is the Zora's design from the back. Its low, broad, aggressive stance is created by a huge rear diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and slender LED taillights that sweep across the width. Adapting in real time to changes in speed and driving mode, the active rear wing is both useful and aesthetically pleasing. Zora, the decklet insignia, is more than just a badge. It proclaims the evolutionary leap made by Corvette. Inside the Zora, you'll find a fusion of high-end materials with a racing-inspired aesthetic. Luxurious materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed metal embellish the inside. With its ability to adjust to various driving modes, the digital instrument cluster ensures a completely immersive experience. The red leather bucket seats provide the ideal combination of form and function for high-speed trips, while the sophisticated multimedia system guarantees connectivity. The cabin's mood is elevated by the addition of configurable ambient lighting, which gives it a futuristic touch. The Zora supposedly has a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain under the hood. Over 1,000 horsepower is anticipated to be produced by combining the ZR1's electric hybrid powertrain with its twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 engine. Performance on par with hypercars such as the Mercedes-AMG 1 is within reach with this configuration. The Zora is an engineering marvel that aims to rule the track as well as the road. It is anticipated that the starting price will be higher than the ZR1's $250,000 to $280,000 range. Its hypercar capabilities are unmatched by its competition, making it a great value. Prices might go up, but they probably won't go over $500,000 unless Chevrolet decides to do a limited run. The highly anticipated Corvette Zora, set to make its debut in late 2025 or early 2026, is the pinnacle of American supercars to come. Its innovative features, exceptional performance, and daring design will seal its place as a legendary Corvette.